Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Ethereal Sonia and my name is Sonia. I'm starting up with this channel to serve you all with the best of my readings. I'm a clairvoyant, I'm a clairaudient. I relate with every power of energy and I transfer and channel those messages to you. I've been doing this since so many years and thought to come up with this channel so that I can guide you the best I can. So before any further ado, if you like my readings, please do share, subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. So I'm starting up with this 2020 readings, this pandemic, and we all have suffered a lot. And so I want to give you free readings so that you can get clarity in your life. And being a clairvoyant, I would like to help you by all my guidance, all my predictions, so that each one of you can get healed. So this reading is for everyone. In all zodiac signs, I will be putting 12 readings every month, trying to put more so that I can guide you, help you more and more. The first reading which I'm doing is for Aquarius, a sign of mystery. Before starting the reading, I would like to channel all the messages from universe for our Aquarians. Before starting, I would like to smudge. The reason why I smudge is to clear the aura, energy, and to relate and call for my guidances, my guides, guardian angels for every one of you. You can always watch if Aquarius is your moon sign, your sun sign, as well as your birth date, so that the messages do relate to you. I'm already feeling some good news is coming to you, some powerful help through some ancestors, or somebody who's just trying to help you from a while, but maybe you were not ready. If you're ready now, the help is going to come. You have to just grab that opportunity. Some of you are also feeling mystical, so maybe you are born with some powers. All the mystical people this year must have taught you to be immensely patient, and yes, the guidances which you must have got are really coming up and helping you for your future aspects. So before we start, let me channel some messages to you Aquarians. Beauty comes your way. Some of you are just downloading some apps, beautification. You're looking maybe to make your own life beautiful, searching for certain ways to become beautiful or your life beautiful. Maybe some of you are looking for love, because love for you is all about beauty right now. And your creativity is also coming up. So people who are doing a lot of creative work, great going guys. And people who are waiting, no time to wait. It's your time to become creative. So below the deck, we have Queen of Pentacles. Like I said, everything coming your way. It's so pretty. Look at this card. This card is saying, telling me that your coins are ready, your opportunities are ready. You just need to grab them. Some of you, I feel, have already started thinking about your future, are relating with what you are relating with what you want. And if that's so, you can see a small dog, a pet over here. So your hobbies, your day-to-day activities, and some of your close friends are your best guides right now. They are supporting you, they are giving you that strength to come up with all what is left behind and again start your journey. So let's take out cards for the basic energy flowing for Aquarians. I'm getting this word, the drama is over. Something really went off and the drama is over now. So I feel that you people have gone through something major, and that's the reason now you're looking for something else. Something which is fascinating, beautiful, and very attractive. Maybe you yourself are becoming attractive. So let me pull out the basic energies for Aquarians. So right, you people are moving away from something and moving towards love, creativity. So the first card is Ten of Wands. You are moving away. Some of you have already moved away. Isn't that great? Your cycle is over of struggle, of waiting zone, of something which you always wanted but you didn't know how to achieve it. That cycle is over. That pattern which you were looped in is over. Then the present is Six of Swords, which clearly tells me that your emotions are still stuck in the past, some of you, but most of you have just started a new journey. And you see a lot of opportunities, like I said. They're just around you. You just need to see them. You just need to grab them. And then you have Ace of Cups. So people who are looking for love, it's just there. People, you're getting creative. Also, I see coming from Wands to Cups, which clearly says that your blockages are open. Everything which you always wanted is going to come as a gift now, is going to manifest. Because the reason is your own strength of moving forward. But some of you are still stuck with these swords. Some preconceived notions, some negativity, some blockages of your own, thinking that you will not be able to get everything like you always suffer. But no, soon you're getting some good surprise, some new element of life, some great creativity. I'm happy because your energies were so fluid. Maybe you suffered from a long time and now your energies are getting really fluid. Let's check what's more coming for you. I'm also getting some gifts, so I feel some gifts are on the way. Gift of knowledge. Gift of knowledge is also on the way. Let go of your possessiveness, Aquarians. Let go of your secrecy. You are a very secretive sign. Let go of your secrecy. Whatever is you're holding on to inside, secrets, too much of chaos inside you, possessiveness for your own things, just let go of it. That's the key to success, Aquarians. Universe wants you to let go. Let go of sometimes. Let go of possessions. So maybe most of you or some of you are holding on to some money aspect. That this is mine, this property is mine, this money is mine, this particular asset is mine. I don't say that let go of it like this, but you are in a limbo. Emotions versus practicality. And I feel that you should choose practical approach as well as emotional, a blend of it. Don't be so possessive for everything, else it's going to get you stagnant. Because in the center we are getting the card of Hanged Man. So you are stagnant in your energies just because you're not letting go. And I know for Aquarians it's tough. It's tough to let go. But that's the game all about. You have to let go. Also with Hanged Man, the choices between two could be a thing. So maybe a business, maybe some project. You are possessive that I want this project, I own this project, or I have worked for it. But then others are not ready to give you that ownership. Let go of it. Because if you don't let go of it, I can see Five of Cups, which is emotional heartbreak, which is an emotional breakdown, which is clear that you have to, come on, I mean, you can let go of things. You are a bundle of package deals. I would say you are a bundle of gifts. You are a very powerful sign. You can't be stuck to something small. Once you let go of this, something big will show up. So let go of everything which is keeping you hold. Also, I would like to check energies for the mindset. What's going on in your mind? because I feel a lot is going on which you're not expressing. Let's see what's in your mind, Aquarius. Many of you are searching for partnership, not most of you, but some of you. I feel that partnership is what you are looking for. See, every time I get pentacles, a lot of pentacles in your reading, I must say that either you are looking for your coins, your money making, or you're making money and you're happy and now getting those cravings to make it big, make it more and more every day. If you're doing this, I would say you will become what I just saw, Four of Pentacles. So why I was connecting these two energies is, if you started making good money, don't be possessive of it. Don't start owning everything, because then the energy of money also gets stuck. You have to be just fluid with your money as well as your intentions. And then Seven of Pentacles with Knight of Wands. Help is definitely coming, but if you're willing to receive. Some of you, I feel, have started feeling that I know it all. I'm the master of whatever I know. Guys, give yourself a break. Because if you will feel like this again, that stagnation which I was talking about is going to come. You have to balance the energy basically. Because your waiting zone, maybe you were waiting to receive this time which you have right now. But now it's just starting. You can't feel that this is it. You have to move on, right? So for that, you can't be so satisfied in this environment. You have to be that craving, and to receive that you have to let people help you, not becoming the leader, but maybe this is time still to be a follower. So I feel these are the basic energies which I have read for you. If you like my reading, please do mention in the comment section that this is going on with you. Also do mention me if you have certain questions regarding my channel and my personal readings. If you are preferring to take a personal reading, a personal outlook for you, your life, your confusions, then you can always mail me. My mail ID is mentioned and every detail is mentioned in the description box. Also, divine guidance, I would like to take out for you that what divine wants you to do. Because many times we're just doing everything what we want. Let's see what divine is trying to signal. Maybe somebody is just trying to use you. Somebody is just trying to use you, use your... Okay, so maybe somebody is going to be a bit blunt with you. Straightforward communications will be there. People will tell you that you have become a little rude, or they feel that you have changed as a person, and maybe you get those vibes from your near dear ones, and still you're happy. You are just feeling it's okay. You can tell that to me. It's okay. I know what I am. But that's a good attitude though, because you are coming out of your stagnation with that. And then the divine messages travel. The card of Chariot. So you have to travel. Your ideas also have to travel. So I feel travel is a major thing coming up. So maybe you people are traveling or planning travel. And after this pandemic, I think everybody wants to travel. So yes, this is a very nice card. Also, Chariot says that build your intuition. Build your intuition. Think more before reacting. Also, I think a long-term project is going to start soon. Every time in your reading there's a project. There is something which maybe you have worked on, maybe you're working on, you've learned something, or something is going to start. So I think your current situation is Nine of Cups, which says that you don't need to stick in this moment only. You have to be fluid, and move on is your way. Move on is your story. So you have to keep on moving, and if you don't know how to move ahead, then plan a trip. Give yourself a breather and you will know what I'm talking about. So overall, I feel it's a nice reading. It just gives you a very clear idea that your cards are clear about that you don't become stagnant. People who are looking for creative projects, people who are looking for creative satisfaction is going to be there definitely. So most of you are doing some creativity at home also. I get a vibe of that. And yes, a lot of questions inside search inside, but that's your sign, that's your power. Your power is to always be thinking inside and creating a new world which is just so which cannot be understood by everyone. So that is going on. Waiting zone for some of you, but it's going to go away soon. What you have to do is just let go of past, let go of your stagnant attitude or maybe possessive attitude towards any thought, money, project, or ownership. I feel this reading will help those who are looking for how to come out of it, come out of this stagnation. Also, maybe people who are planning 2021, start with the travel. You will get immense ideas, maybe great help with people, and you will know that what I have to do next. I hope you like my reading. I'll be coming up every month to help you like this, and you can always mention me if you need any more information in my readings for your sign, so that I might include it in my next reading. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll be back soon. Thank you.